Boom. Is it better? This is gonna fall. This is gonna fall. This is gonna fall. This is gonna fall right in front of the camera. Watch. I'm not gonna be here in 5 seconds.
And she's gone.
Today, we're gonna do a taste testing video. We're trying Japanese snacks, okay? Let's get started. So what we have is some Japanese snacks. Exhibit A, Exhibit B, Exhibit C, D, E, F, G, through like the whole alphabet. So that would be 26. So we're just gonna jump right in and start trying these snacks. I can't really tell you what they're called because I can't read it. This one shouldn't be scary at all. It's a marshmallow, okay? And it's Winnie the Pooh and Eeyore. I'm pretty sure it's just a marshmallow. So, what if it's filled with something? Oh, I think it's filled with something. Oh my god, there's something inside of it. I'm so scared of this video right now. Oh. I want to pull it out. I'm ripping it. Am I cheating? Yo, I smelled it and it's strawberry cream. My cat just stole my puke bag. I love strawberry cream, strawberry milk, those little Pocky sticks. So good. Okay, I was scared for nothing. Wow, what a waste of emotion. The next thing is Pikachu, right? And I'm pretty sure it's bubblegum. Let's see. I don't think this is bubblegum. Why the? So there it is. It smells like sour apple. I think this is bubblegum. It smells like it's bubblegum. It's bubblegum. It tastes exactly wow. It tastes exactly like the little bubble gums that are like little cylinder circle things, and they're wrapped up. I always used to get a ton of them on Halloween. There was like the grape, the sour apple, the regular. I'll put pictures here. And I think it's just that. Okay, we're not calling it bubble gum anymore. It's just gum. Bubble my. So there's a bunch of different like little chip things. Okay, they're all chips. First, we're gonna start with these, and I'm pretty sure these are just cheese balls. They look like cheese balls. They don't smell like cheese balls. They smell like chicken noodle ramen packets. These are pretty good. They're super salty. Wow. They taste exactly like chicken ramen. But they're good though. Okay. I can't eat too much of everything. I mean, I could, but. Next one. These chips. I don't know what they are, but they look good. This has a weird flavor. It smells like Worcestershire sauce. Not a fan. I rate these like okay, I didn't rate everything. So first thing, the little marshmallow with the strawberry cream inside, 10 out of 10. Beautiful. Bubblegum, I mean, it tastes like regular bubblegum, so I guess like 10 out of 10, just for being normal. These, 6 out of 10. These, like a 4 out of 10. I think that's fair. Oh, I found another marshmallow. I really hope this has strawberry inside of it. They have like little buttholes because they're filled, like that right there. It's like a little, oh, not a butthole, a tail. It has like a little tail above its butthole. This one's chocolate. Okay, it's chocolate, so it's not gonna be bad. It's chocolate. It's chocolate. What next? So there's this little packet of things here, and I'm pretty sure it's like Smarties. Oh, they don't smell like Smarties. So we're just gonna take one. No! I don't even understand. Let's try a pink one. That was an orange one. It exploded in my mouth. Not good. Not enough added sugar. Gross. I give that like a 3 out of 10. Okay. Next up we have this thing. And I'm not sure if this is like the Japanese version of like dehydrated fruit, or if this is gonna be meat flavored. I really hope this is dehydrated fruit. It's fucking meat flavored. Just the smell of it's fucking gross. Oh my god, it's just straight soy sauce. Gross. Next candy. So right here, we have this cute little panda candy guy. So, oh, but you can play tic-tac-toe on the back. That's cute. I like that. You get a higher rating just because of that. Oh, it's a cookie! Oh, it smells like a Lorna Doone. So good. 11 out of 10 for the fun packaging. 10 points for just the food. These, or this, I don't know if there's more than one in here, or if it's just one item. It looks like the Pepsi logo. So I'm fairly certain whatever this is, I need you to cooperate. Thank you. Whatever this is, I'm pretty sure it's going to be Pepsi flavored. And I'm going to say something that might upset the one person who watches this. I don't like Pepsi. They're little balls. Oh. Oh shit. Okay. They're little balls. And they smell like Pepsi. It's squishy. Is this gum? This is Pepsi flavored gum. Gross gum, because I don't like Pepsi. But if you like Pepsi, I'm sure that'd be great. Next. Okay, these have to be Pop Rocks. They have to be. Listen. That sounds like Pop Rocks. I don't think these are Pop Rocks. They smell like grape though, so that's gonna be delicious. I'm confused. Can you guys see in there? So it looks like Pop Rocks, but there's also like little white things in it. What if the white things are drugs? What if I didn't buy from a trusted source? What if I'm getting drugged right now? It's Pop Rock! Oh! Next, I'm not sure how I feel about this because I just realized that this is probably coconut. Like a little crunchy on the outside. I don't like coconut. It's meat flavored again. I ordered candy, not jerky. What if this is fish flavored? Is this like fried fish? I feel like that's fried fish. I'm not eating it. Like some sort of like preserved. It tastes like tilapia. Not good. Not good. On to the next. Next we have this thing, stick thing again, and this one has more English on it. Corn. This might be English. Potage. Potag. Corn. I know how to say that one. Wow. Ugh! It tasted like canned corn, and honestly, canned corn is not bad. I just wasn't mentally prepared enough to bite into that and taste nothing but canned corn cooked on a stovetop. That was gross. We have one that I've been dreading so hard. What this is, you might look at this and think, well, that just looks like an unfrozen popsicle. Like, pop that bitch in the freezer, Brianna. Like, what are you doing? No. Hello. This is jelly. This is a jelly tube. And I'm not ready for this texture to go in my mouth. Do you see this? Ah! Bottoms up. So that was it for the Japanese candy taste testing. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I'll see you next time.